Welcome students in my third tutorial based upon OpenOffice Calc free spreadsheet software. So earlier in my previous two tutorials I have covered the basics, and this is my third tutorial covering the basics for this spreadsheet software. So first of all, today I am entering some data, like suppose I am writing here 1. So after entering 1, now you could see at the bottom, right bottom, from here if I am moving this side, this side, you could see plus sign. It's becoming the plus sign, although this is the arrow, but when I am bringing this arrow at the tip bottom right, so you could see here it converts into plus sign. Okay, I'll show you this one. So I'll bring my pointer here and then I'll press my left mouse button, I'll drag it from there, you could see the numbers start increasing. So by using this method, simply I can write the numbers in sequence like 1 2 3 4 like this. The same way, if I'm writing here 1, I'm then writing here 3. Now if I'll select both the numbers by pressing the left mouse button, and now if I'll drag it, you could see how it's increasing 1 3 5 7 9. So I hope this basic concept is very much clear to you, how it's increasing. Simply 1, and then if I am dragging it, simply it's increasing in sequence. So I hope this concept is already clear to you. So I am deleting all this concept. Now I'll write some data. Suppose I am writing here 1 2. Now suppose I want to add these numbers. For adding the numbers, simply I can press is equal to sign from the keyboard. I'll just bring the keyboard from here so that you can see how the work is going on. So the keyboard is in front of you. Now if I want to multiply the two numbers, so what I have to do, two methods are there. Suppose I am writing here 1. Now to put multiplication sign, I have to use this star. I hope you could see this star. So how to use this star? You have to press shift key and then press the star. Okay, and then press this button. So in that way you will get the star. And then suppose I want to type 2, and as I'll press the enter key, you could see here 2 is coming. But now if I'm using the cell address is equal to, simply I can click here A1, multiply, shift key, and then B2 I can click here directly and then enter. So at both the places 2 is coming, but what's the difference? Now suppose if I'm changing this number in cell address A1, I'm changing the number to 5. Now just see the difference. If I'll press it, here still the 2 is coming, but here 10 is coming. Now why the 10 is coming? So it is coming because here I am using cell address A1 multiplied by B1. Firstly I'll close this. I can always press F2 key from function key from the keyboard, and then with that way you can see what formula you have used. Now this is the formula, simple formula, A1 multiplied by B1. So in my previous tutorial I have explained how to use the cell address. So this is A1, this is B1. So I hope it is clear. So always it's recommended to use cell addresses in the formulas. So I hope this is very much clear to you. Now I'm taking some numbers, like suppose I'll just copy it. Now if I want to add the numbers, how can I add? Simply is equal to, now what is the cell address here? A1. Okay, then I have to add it A2. Simply I can type also A3, A4, A5, and then A6. So hence I'll get the data here. If I want to check, I can either double click this cell, double click, you could see the formula here. Okay, or I can press the function key F2 simply to see what kind of data is there. Okay, till A6 it's covering, so means my formula is right. I hope this concept is clear. Now another way is also there to add the numbers. I can use sum. How to use sum? You have to press is equal to sign, right there, sum. Now this is a function, this is a shortcut way. Bracket start, and then you have to select the whole data which you want to add, and then bracket close. Now if I'll press the enter key, answer is same, but if you could watch here, it's so easy, sum A1 to A6, but here I have to write A1 plus A2 plus A3, A4, A5, A6. Now just imagine if there are 1000 numbers, then I have to write 1000 times cell address. But here it's so easy. I have written sum, and after sum I have written the range. Now this is actually called the range, A1 to A6. So whenever we are selecting the data, like suppose from here A1 till A7. Now this is, I have selected a range A1 to A7. Range is just simple combining of cells with each other, touching with each other. So here we have to see the starting cell address and ending cell address. The range could be in this way also, like from A1 to B7. Why B7? Because A1 is here, A1 is here, and B7 is here. So I can add the numbers like this also, like is equal to sum, like this. I'll select, so it will add, and afterwards at the end I have to put the bracket also, press enter key. So it's coming 137. So I hope this is very much clear to you. Even you can add it any cell, or you want to see the formula, I have told you either you can use F2 or double click it, or either you can go on the top here on the top, here on the top, here also this is actually formula bar. Here also you can see what all we have typed. So I hope this is clear to you. Now suppose I'm using the sheet 2, and here I have to make some table. So this can be your assignment also. For example, I have written here 2, here I'll write X, here also, like suppose I want to type 2 only here till 10, but simply if I want to drag it like this, it increases, but I don't want in this way. So how to do it? I have used undo key. I'll copy it, copy, and then I'll select till 10 and right click, paste. You could see here in this way the same number is been dragged, or it is been copied. The same way with X also, because this is alphabet, it will not increase, no sequence is there. I can increase or decrease the column by this. I'll just bring the pointer in between the two columns. When this arrow comes, I can just drag it like this. This also I can drag it, the A column, and then here I want to type suppose 1, and then I can drag it. Now it will increase in sequence. Okay, now I have to put is equal to sign, then after pressing the enter key I can drag this also. Now here I have to type the formula, so it's very simple, you know very well, is equal to A1 star sign by, because this is C1, so I'll just do it and I'll press enter key, so it's coming 2. Now the same thing I have to type here also, is equal to A, now this is A2 multiply by, here it is C2, and I'll press enter key, it should be A2 multiply by C2 and press enter key, it's 4. And now just to save the time, there is a drag method. I'll just press the mouse button here and then drag it down, so the formula should be copied, and you can see it saves the time. The same method applies for Excel also, and the same method I am applying upon Open Spreadsheet software, that means Open Office Calc. So in this way you can make any table. So suppose I had made a table of 2, you can make table of anything. Suppose if I am doing the changes here 13, and the same thing I want to copy, you could see here automatically everything is changed. This is the feature of automatic recalculation. If you are changing the number and you are using the cell address, it automatically recalculates each and everything. So I hope this concept is also very much clear to you. So today I have taught you how to type by different ways, how to copy and paste, okay, pasting method, how to use drag method, how to automate the numbering when you are pasting it, and how to edit the formula by using F2 key or double click. Okay, then what's the difference when we use the cell address or when we use the formulas on directly the numbers? That means we don't have that time the feature of automatic recalculation. And at last we made a table of number. You can use any table, but the main focus is to teach you how to use simple formulas. And then I've told you the range also. Now here the range what we are using, A1 to E10. Now this is the E10. So today I am stopping my tutorial here only. Wait for my next tutorial. Till then, bye.